Hello! These days, a lot of my friends are asking me how to make Korean food with kimchi. Even though I'm not a good cook at all, I'm actually very poor at it. And why do I make such a video? Because I know here's some holy dish. I like cooking simple in a lazy way, but delicious. And I know how difficult it is to get the all ingredients in Europe. But these are all you can buy in Germany: kimchi, meat, and your favorite vegetables. This dish even does not have its own original name. It's my personal, accidentally creative, and kinda fake dish of kimchi 전골. I eat this when the weather in Germany is too cold for me, or I feel weak, or I miss my mom. This food makes me warm and feel so strong, so that we call this dish as holy soup. First, you cook meat in sesame oil. I had shoulder butt with a little bit of salt. Give a little time to your meat and put kimchi. Wait until they are cooked enough and pour the rice water or anchovy water. When you do not have them, then just pour any water. Oh, the thing was soybean, and this one is salted shrimp. If you do not have them at all, just put a lot of kimchi, but soya sauce, you cannot miss it. Now put every ingredient: onions, garlic, a little bit of sugar, bean sprouts, bok choy. Yes, it is not traditional Korean vegetable, but I like it. Enoki mushroom. Do not eat enoki mushroom raw, dangerous. Oh, tofu, softest one. I love it. At last, green onion. You don't cook green onion for long. That's no. So the meat is ready. The rice was finished earlier. I didn't use a rice cooker for it. You can watch the video on my channel how to make rice in a pot. Enjoy your holy